Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for March 23rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair created an inside bar, so definitely look for the breakout. It did close up. However, this pair is moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 90.95, possibly as low as 89.54. Look for some resistance around 90.82 and look for some support around 89.75. Now, looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed lower. Overall, long-term moving sideways with the bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 136.29, possibly as low as 133.97. Look for some resistance around 135.29 and look for some support around 134.62. Now, the pound US dollar pair closed down for this session, moving sideways, bias sideways. Definitely look for it to move up to 151.88, possibly as low as 148.73. Look for some resistance around 151.11 and look for some support around 149.75. Now, the US Swiss, this pair closed down. It's moving sideways as well. Look for it to potentially go as high as 106.97, possibly as low as 104.99. Look for some resistance around 106.50 and look for some support around 105.25. Okay, as far as news announcements goes, we have the U.S. releasing their durable goods orders for February. It's being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is that things have moved lower from 2.6% to 0.7%, which would be negative news for the U.S. dollar. We also have the gross domestic product for New Zealand being released for the fourth quarter at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus is things have gone a little bit better this last quarter from 0.2% to 0.8%. Year to date, moving from negative 1.3% up to 0.4%. So moving into positive territory year to date is always good news and would be good news for the New Zealand dollar if indeed it does come out to that. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? We have a swing trade opportunity that has occurred in the U.S. Swiss to the downside. Look for a potential sell. Places to, as far as exiting this, we have some serious support there, and we also have some pretty good support a little bit further down. First area that I'd be concerned with is about 17, 18 pips down, and then look for another 20 pip move down to around the 43 area. Now, the US-Japanese yen pair, it also has created an opportunity, an inside bar opportunity. We have our trend line there, but we also have a breakout from this inside bar. We have the inside bar here. We look for potential breakouts off of the high and low from the previous bar. Now, what I would look to do is go ahead and buy in here and look to exit there for just a quick little scalp trade. If you notice, we got right around 10 pips, so that'd be a quick little scalp to be able to do. Just draw your trend line and then exit at the top. You could do the same thing to the downside. It's going to be a little bit different look and feel to it, but nonetheless very similar. May not have enough room on this one. Yeah, 4 pips, not really enough room to trigger a good trade. So I would stick to only taking the one to the upside. That pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.